guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do this beautiful, it's not a beautiful, this vampire look for my Halloween series. So if you want to know how I created this makeup look, just keep watching. And if you like my channel, if you like all my stuff, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to smash that notification bell. In this month of October, I will be uploading, or I will be trying to uploading every single Wednesday and Friday. No, Wednesday and Saturday. So if you don't want to miss anything, don't forget to smash that notification bell. And without any more introduction, let's start with this one. See you at the end. Bye. First, I'm going to wet my eyebrows with this makeup wipe. Really wet. Then using this glue stick, I'm going to add the glue to the eyebrows, so they will be stick to the skin. You should feel like a smooth surface in the brows. I think that it is okay for now. Now I'm going to add a little bit of this Dermacol to the brows just to hide them. Now using my fingers, I'm going to distribute this base so it looks more seamless with the skin. So basically blending this with the skin. And this doesn't need to be really perfect because eventually all these will be covered by makeup, by colors, different type of colors. I'm going to start drawing the teeth of the vampire mouth. And I am using this black eyeshadow from the Mehron palette. Now I'm going to the center of the mouth. Just tracing the mouth. It doesn't need to be perfect at this point. I'm just tracing the eyes now. Tracing the idea for the eyes. I'm going to use a little bit of Laura Mercier translucent powder and eliminate the excess against the palm of my hand and just tap over my brows. That powder, just to set that cream base. Now I'm going to use a liquid foundation. This one is Coagulated to my face, just to use this one as a base. So this one will be my base. It will be like a cream base. And this doesn't need to be perfect neither, because we are going to add colors, different colors to the face. Going to add a little bit more for the neck. Now I'm going to add this whitish cream color from the Mehron palette. Just to make my face looks whiter than it is. So the vampires has like a pale look, like a dead look. So that is what we want to achieve. Now I'm going to add this white eyeshadow from the Mehron palette. Now I'm going to add this white. This one is like a shimmery white. Just to add light to the face. Now I'm going to add water to my water-based face paint. And I'm going to add this to the teeth. And this one will be like my base. And we are going to adjust while we are doing the makeup. So if you see that it is not looking as expected, you should be adjusting. Just erase and restart. Now I'm going to add black. And you know, I like to start using really small brushes. So I'm going to add this water-based face paint too. And I'm going to use this Sigma L06 to apply this black paint. Now I'm going to use this Mehron brush, and this one is a small brush too. See, let's continue. Never stop, regardless if it's not doing well. It's good, it's good. Keep going. Keep going. It's getting there, it's getting there. Now I'm just tracing this area of the face. Using black water-based face paint. Now I'm going to use this yellow color. To add it to the teeth. So this is just to give dimension to the teeth. However, I want those teeth to be white. Now using again water face paint, I'm going to elongate the holes of my nose. So I'm going to continue with the face, and basically I'm going to do my eyes. I'm going to use this black eyeshadow, and the idea is to create a smoky eye. But not a pretty smoky eye, an ugly smoky eye. I'm going to use also the black cream base paint to darken in this area even more. Then I'm going to clean a little bit that, and I'm going to add more eyeshadow just over that green base that I just add, and start smoking out all that. Doesn't need to be perfect or beautiful. A clean brush, just to like blend out. And maybe you need to clean up that brush or find another brush. And you maybe need to find another brush once that one is done, just to blend everything else a little bit better without getting like mess. Now I'm going to add this rosé color from the Main Squeeze palette from ColourPop. And basically I'm going to add this around the eyes, just to make those like dark cycle, lottery dark cycle. It doesn't have any like specific way to add it. Now I'm going to use a beauty blender. And using the same color. In order to make this to look really realistic, all the colors need to be blended with the others, so nothing should be like harsh line. Everything, unless you want definition. For example, in the eyes, I want that definition there, so I need to leave that there. Let's continue with the hard work, which is basically make this face come out. So basically, be more real. Now I'm going to add black water-based face paint. To the top of these lines. Then I'm going to use a brush just to blend that black with the rest of the face. I'm going to add a little bit of this brown to the top. And I'm going to use a little bit of the red color that I used before. And now I'm going to add a little bit of white. I am adding too much. Let me clean up my brush. And this part doesn't need to be like precise. It's better if it's not precise. If you are shaking, much better. Now I am trying to mimic the gum of the teeth. I am mixing a little bit of cream, red cream color with water-based face paint. Again, mixing the white color with the red color. Now using a really small brush, I'm going to add this brown eyeshadow from the Mehron palette to the top of the teeth. Just to give again more dimension. A little bit of more white to the end of the teeth. Now using the ColourPop eyeshadow, I'm going to define my neck. I'm going to use more of this Mehron highlighter. It's a white highlighter. I'm going to add a little bit of this Mehron coagulated blood yellow. I'm going to clean my hands a little bit, and I'm going to add these beautiful eye lenses. To complete the work, I'm going to add my wig. So guys, I hope that you like this one. I hope that you learned something. And if you like this one, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so you can help me to grow this channel. See you in the next one. Have a beautiful, blessed, and happy week. Bye.